Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Manley, and today I'm going to show you how to make walnut pie. Walnut pie is going to be featured on my new website called Vintage-Recipes. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Now if you've never had a walnut pie, it tastes a lot like a pecan pie, but walnuts are so much less expensive. So let's go ahead and get started. This is made much like pecan pie. We're going to start with 3 eggs, and then we're going to add in 1 cup of sugar. We are also going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, because when you do sweet, you need a little bit of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla, and then we are going to add in a couple tablespoons of flour. Now this is going to be part of our custard for this pie, and then we're going to go ahead and add in 1 cup of dark corn syrup. If you don't want to use corn syrup because you don't want to use corn syrup, I recommend golden syrup. I'll put the link down below. This is made with sugar cane. So this is how we'll do this pie. I do not know how to make this recipe sugar-free or with a sugar substitute. So this is what I need to do right here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and stir this up really well. You don't need a mixer. You can see I'm just using a whisk right here, and you're gonna blend it really well. And once this gets blended really well, I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I just like to do it this way to make sure that the butter gets mixed in better. For some reason, I think this works best. All right, so we're gonna pour this into a pie shell. Now I'm just using a commercial one. And again, if you're a beginner, pecan, walnut pies are so easy to make. You just literally measure and stir and bake and you're done. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pour in the custard into the pie. And just pour it in. It won't fill it up all the way, but we still have walnuts to add. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the walnuts. Now you do not need to buy the more expensive halves. Chopped walnuts will be fine, and I really wouldn't even spend any time laying them out beautifully because they'll shift a little bit while baking. So honestly, just spread them out evenly as you can, and we're gonna pop this into the oven. We're gonna bake it first for about 15 minutes on 400. Then we're gonna reduce the temperature and bake it for 35 to 45 minutes at 350. And when you finish with this pie, it's gonna be golden brown, and it's wonderful. So the texture of this pie is much more crisp and crunchy than a pecan pie. So I hope you give this one a try, and go ahead and check out my new blog, Vintage-Recipes. Be sure to leave me a comment down below of what you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching.